Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are fine at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Moneship. Dear student, today I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is word meaning and synonym antonym from Unit 10. So let's start our class. Our today's topic name is the birthday ride and Unit 10. So in previous class we have already discussed this story in our live class and YouTube class. Now today I will solve this word meaning and synonym antonym. So let's start. First, word meaning. Tired means in need of rest. R-E-S-T. Tired means in need of rest. N-E-E-D. Need of rest. Climb means to go up. And clap means to make a sound. S-O-U-N-D. using two hands. So clap means to make a sound using two hands. Now come to the next point, synonym and antonym. We know synonym means the similar words, that means the same kind of words, and antonym means opposite words. So now here are given three words. You have to write down synonym and antonym of these three words. First one is rest. So what is the synonym of rest? We know relax. R-E-L-A-X. Relax. And now antonym work. W-O-R-K. Work. And slowly synonym will be slowly, gently. G-E-N-T. Gently. And antonym quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. And stop synonym is halt. H-A-L-T. Halt. And antonym start. S-T-A-R-T. So student, now we will repeat this word meaning and synonym antonym. Tired, first one is tired, in need of rest. So student, when you will write this word meaning and synonym antonym, you have to follow these rules. Okay, you will not give any full stop after finishing your word meaning and synonym antonym. And number two, you have to write this first letter in small. So tired, in need of rest. Climb, to go up. And now third one is clap, to make a sound using two hands. Now synonym antonym, word, synonym and antonym. Rest, relax, and antonym work. Slowly, gently, and quickly. Stop, halt, start. So our today's topic is homework number is 10 and topic same topic, word meaning and synonym from Unit 10. So you have to learn at home and do your homework at home and submit this topic on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you next class.